Hey guys, this is an Epson Workforce WF-2650 that I want to show how to replace this pickup roller right here. If you just need to clean it, you just clean these here, let them dry, and then try pulling your paper through again. Also, a duplexer, the one that goes back here, does have a roller also that needs to be cleaned if the paper is getting stuck in there and it's not fed properly. Also, if you just need to replace this for whatever reason, if it's broken, if the gears are broken, if it's just a bad pickup roller, it is not very hard to do. Actually, very simple. So basically, this video is about replacing this. This is also for ET-4550 printers, WF-2750, 2760, 2650, and 2660 printers. So what we're going to do, we're just going to pull this back. So, and we see a latch over here that needs to be, here I'm doing this with one hand. We're just going to pull this back, and that'll release this paper pickup roller. We're just going to pull it out, and to put new one in, we're going to put this back in. Then we're going to lift this latch again. Here we go. And I was able to do it with just one hand. So this is pretty much the replacement process. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.